good. Go forward, back up again. Oh shit, or you just go around. You're good. You're just gonna have to pull forward and back up. Don't let off till you land in the driveway when you go up there.
What's that about?
Huh? He's wondering why you're still trying to...
Don't stop and get the driveway.
Don't stop and get to the driveway. Oh shit! He said ho 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 ho.
Easy, take it off.
Easy, don't gun it. I'm holding the fuck on.
Get her done, get her done, get her done. Yeah, we're gonna make it. Come on, no we're not.
Come on, come on, come on. What did he say?
Back down
I knew this was worth recording. Come on.
Whoa, shit!
There's a hole there.
I just told you the story about Freddie and Alvin. Did you listen?
Yes, I listened.
You said, ah. You didn't listen.
I did listen.
I'm trying to teach y'all something about power and horsepower.
Can't we use four-wheel drive?
No, you don't need it. If you take off spinning, you're going to end up spinning. You're going to snake that thing.
What does that mean?
Leg gear and you get that thing moving. You know, spinning your ass in is getting that money. Y'all think you throw it the forward? What happened? Ease into it. Don't, when it spins, let off. Get the momentum going. A little bit more.
Oh shit. Ease it. Oh shit. God damn. We're gonna end up using four-wheel drive by the end of this.
No, he can take his happy ass. I'm just got fucking four-wheel drive. He knows I can take it up here. That's why he's doing it to me. It's too many fucking hills to get momentum on.
Back on up, get a running start.
It's too bumpy.
Get a running start.
Yeah, get a run and start on the hill.
God's sake.
I'm holding on to something. Oh shit.
God.
God damn it.
Fuck it. I got four-wheel drive. We have the money to pay for the four-wheel drive fucking truck, so why can't we use the four-wheel drive truck? Fuck.
Oh, I'm purple ducks.
Oh, I'm so mad. I'm doing what you're saying. I don't know why I'm not going. Yes, I am.
You gotta get your speed up down here and ease off. You get to where that flat meets that hill, your tires are spinning.
You just told me that I gotta be slow.
Huh?
You You just told me to go slow.
Your tires spin. It's horsepower. You're going too fast. There's a difference between how fast you're going and you're pulling.
You do it.
Turn around and back it up the hill, see what it does.
No.
Uncle Al and Freddie used to do it all the time.
Uncle Al and Freddie were stupid.
Yeah, I got Freddie there.
You come do it.
I'll do what?
Bring it up the hill. What?
No. Do you remember the day when I had a fucking 4-ton tractor down here that didn't run?
Yes, I remember that, Dad, but I don't.
Who was driving it?
Michael,
He was driving what?
the truck.
That dude.
Yes.